Wait, what should I say?
Hey Busy Bees, it's Zung, and today I have a very special guest with me. This is Kindle.
Hi.
Kindle is Nate's niece, his cousin's daughter, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Kindle, how old are you?
6.
So, what grade are you going into? First? Aww. Have you ever cooked before? No? Have you ever used the microwave before? Yeah? What do you heat up in the microwave? Did you know we can cook, like make really delicious meals in the microwave, like from scratch? Okay, well today we're gonna be making 3 really fun, kid-friendly microwave meals.
I have a post-it. It's a Kindle post.
A Kindle post?
3 versions.
There's 3 versions for the Kindle post.
Wait, no.
I love that. We'll do like 1, like this. 1, 2, 3. Kindle pose, you guys. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want more chef microwave videos, be sure to comment below and let me know since we're almost back to school. And we'll go ahead and get started with our first one. Kindle, do you like French toast? You do? Guess what we're gonna make?
French toast.
French toast in the microwave. And you can do this all by yourself too. Parents, I'm teaching your kids how to make their own breakfast here with the microwave. So first off, we have an egg here. Do you know how to crack an egg? No? Okay, all you have to do is hit it hard on this surface and then you break it with 2 hands like that. Do you wanna try? Perfect, and then you wanna crack it over the bowl. Oh! That's okay, we can try again. First time, not bad. Cheer Kindle on because it's her first time cracking an egg and she did great. Like she did a really nice crack. We just have to do it over the bowl this time. Okay. No, a little bit more. Okay, you want to see like a nice crack right here. And then what we do is we put our thumb right here in the middle to kind of separate it. And then with your thumb, move it the shell out, open it up. You wanna break the shell. Yay! That's awesome! How was that?
Fun. Good?
Was it easy? So I have a story for you about cracking eggs. I was a naughty child. I was at a babysitter's house and they were really mean to me, right? They yelled at me for something and it was my last day there. And they have like the eggs, they put the eggs right on their refrigerator door. And I had just learned how to crack eggs too. Kids, don't do this at home. Don't be like me. So what I did was I went into the refrigerator and I cracked all the eggs in the refrigerator and I just put it back. And all the egg yolks like dripped down the door. And that night, the babysitter called my mom and I got in a lot of trouble. It was bad, but it was funny. But that's how I learned how to crack eggs too. Okay, here's a mini whisk that's perfect for Kindle size. So you just go like this and then you kind of just move your wrist like this. You wanna try it? She's a pro! That looks so good. Okay, so now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients in. Here I have like half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we have vanilla extract just to make it kind of sweet, and then some maple syrup because you have to have maple syrup with French toast, right? Milk. There's a 1/4 cup of milk in here, so 4 tablespoons. All right, Kindle, so this is the base for our French toast to make it nice and like sweet and yummy. Like, you know how French toast, you have to soak it a little bit? This is what it is. Can you use your whisking skill and show me again? So good. There you go. So now we can add some bread. So usually we use like sandwich bread, but I had this bun left over and I thought you would really like it because it's like a hamburger bun, but it's made with like eggs inside. So it's nice and like desserty. So what I'll do is I'll cut it into smaller pieces. And then, do you like tearing things? Yeah, you can tear it into small pieces like this. There you go, and then just dump it in the bowl. What do you like to eat for breakfast?
Bacon and eggs.
Bacon and eggs. Did you know you can make bacon and eggs in the microwave too?
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so now we have all the bread in the bowl. We just have to kind of like mix it in. See how it's getting a little soggy? So Kindle, did you know bread is kind of like a sponge? Whenever you have it with liquid, like watery or milky stuff, it'll soak it all up. So you don't see any more of the milk and eggs in here. See? It like soaked it all up. Okay, so this is now ready to go into the microwave. Can you believe it? Was that easy? Yeah? Okay, here I have a dish. We can microwave it directly in this bowl, but I want to make it pretty, so let's put it in this dish. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in there. Oops. See, I spilled too. Spread it out. So Kindle, right before we put it into the microwave, I'm gonna add like 1 tablespoon of butter on top so it's nice and melty and it'll taste really good. All right, let's put this in the microwave for like 2 to 3 minutes. French toast, can you believe it? Does this look like French toast? Yeah? Okay, good. Okay, so do you like powdered sugar on your French toast? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, do you like berries? Like I have raspberries and strawberries here.
Sure, I want both.
Okay. Okay, I'll put some, let's get a strawberry in there. All right, Kindle, here you go. Let's give it a try. You want me to blow on it? Because it might be hot. Is it hot?
Good.
But it's good? What do you taste? Well, you can finish chewing. I'll try one with you too. I think this needs more maple syrup, don't you think so? All right, we're gonna share this with your brother and sisters, and then next, do you like pizza? What kid doesn't like pizza? Can you believe we can make pizza in the microwave? So here I have, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I have a pinch of baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Kindle, so the reason why I added baking powder and baking soda is so it could be like light and fluffy like bread. Otherwise, it's just gonna be very like stiff and like doughy, and you don't want that, right? Not for pizza. Okay, so you mix the dry ingredients first, and now we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we'll just mix the dough together, and this will be our pizza crust. Does it look good? It does?
No,
No, it doesn't. We have to cook it real quick so that it becomes like bread. So now I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then we'll come back and do the toppings. Our pizza crust is done. Does it look like pizza yet?
No.
No? What do we need to add?
Cheese
and tomato sauce? Okay, so do you like pepperoni?
No, but my brother does.
Okay, well I'll make this for you. We'll just do cheese then, okay? So here we'll add some tomato sauce right on top. Kindle, for this, I'm just using pasta sauce here because it already has so much flavor and there's like seasonings in there. That makes it taste like a pizza. And then, do you want to sprinkle on the cheese? So you just cover it. All right, now does that look like pizza? Yeah? All right, we just have to melt this real quick, so I'll pop it back in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Kindle, look, we have pizza!
Wow, that looks like a pizza.
Yeah, doesn't it? It looks like a real pizza, right? Like you made this in the microwave. Do you want to try it? Okay, you think it's ready?
It's cheesy.
Is it cheesy? Is that your favorite part? What'd you think of the crust?
It was good.
It was good? All right. Kid approved, guys. All right, let's move on to our last one. We're gonna be making brownies in the microwave. Do you like brownies? Yay, chocolate. So we're gonna make this all in a bowl and then I'll split it in two, one for you and one for me, okay? Okay, so first we have a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This will make it nice and chocolatey.
Mix, mix, mix.
Yeah, that's what the busy bees on our channel say. Okay, then I have a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and that's it. We just have to mix it one more time, and then this is our brownie batter. All right, Kindle, do you want chocolate chips on top or do you want it in the brownie?
On top.
On top? Okay, so we'll save it. So now here, I'm gonna split the batter between the 2 bowls. Now I'm gonna spread it out so that it covers it. And now you can take the chocolate chips and sprinkle it on top. Good job, that looks so good. Yay. All right, now we're gonna pop these guys into the microwave for 2 minutes each. Here's yours. Kindle, you wanna try it first? It might be really hot. Yeah, it's hot.
It's very gooey and chocolatey.
Yeah? Does it taste like a real brownie? Yeah? Okay. All right, well that works for me. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you were inspired to make some fun things in the microwave. And again, let me know in the comment section if you would like to see Chef Microwave back for our back to school season. And I also hope your kids start making you breakfast, lunch, or dinner. See you guys next time. Bye! Bye!
Mason, we make pizza, French toast, and brownies.
Can I try it?
Mm-hmm.
Kendall, this tastes like real pizza. It's so good. It's really, really good.
Is this the pizza?
It tastes like real pizza, right? I'm a strawberry.